Hi viewers, welcome to our channel once again. Today we are going to discuss second part of IIT JEE mains. Okay, so the number of integral values of m for which the given equation has no real root is. Okay, so we have to determine the number of integral values. Okay, integral values of m for which that equation has no real root. So this question has been asked in JEE Main 2019 8th April and second shift. So previously we have gone through the part 1. Still those who did not gone through it, once you check it, go through the video. The link has been given in the description. Part 1 IIT JEE Mains. Today part 2. So quadratic equation. Let us start now. So solution. So given 1 plus m square into x square minus 2 of 1 plus 3m into x plus 1 plus 8m is equal to 0. Mark as equation number 1. So this has no real roots. Okay, no real roots in the sense we have to go through the discriminant, nothing but delta, capital D. Okay, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then d is equal to b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, so this is the expression for the discriminant. Since equation 1 has no real roots, implies the condition is d should be less than 0, nothing but negative. There are 3 cases: d is greater than 0, real and distinct, different; d less than 0, no real roots, nothing but imaginary roots; and d is equal to 0, real and equal roots. Now here comparing the standard form with the given equation, this also in the standard form. Okay, so a is equal to 1 plus m square and b is equal to minus 2 of 1 plus 3m and c is equal to 1 plus 8m. So these are the ABC values. Let us operate now our discriminant. So therefore b square minus 4ac, nothing but minus 2 of 1 plus 3m the whole square minus 4 into a is nothing but our 1 plus m square, and here c is 1 plus 8m. That should be less than 0. So let us simplify this one now. So this is a into b whole power m, a power m into b power m. So minus 2 whole square into 1 plus 3m the whole square minus 4 of 1 plus m square into 1 plus 8m. Okay. So here minus 2 whole square is nothing but plus 4. Let us write directly now. Here it is plus 4. So 4 taking as common, since there are two terms, first term and second term, there is 4 is common. So taking 4 as common, I can write 1 plus 3m the whole square minus of 1 plus m square into 1 plus 8m. So after taking 4 as common, so expand in the form of a plus b whole square, and next this is by term by term. So now I can write here 4 of. So let us expand now. 1 square plus 3m the whole square plus 2 into 1 into 3m minus, here I am writing 1 into 1, 1 plus 8m, 1 into 8m, and m square into 1 is m square plus 8m cube. So this is nothing but 4 bracket off. So total is square bracket. So 4 into, this is 1 plus 9m square plus 6m minus, okay, this part have been completed. Next, minus 1 minus 8m minus m square minus 8m cube. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So now I can write 4 times of this is nothing but 9m square minus m square 8m square. This is minus 2m and this is minus m cube. And if you observe carefully, again I can take 2 as common. Okay. So 4 into 2, if I take common, I can write 4m square minus m, and here it is minus 4, and I can take here, so 2 has common, m square, m cube, here it is. Again if you observe carefully, still I can take m as common, so that 8m, if I take common, so m as common, I can write 4m minus m minus 1, 4m minus 1 minus 4m square. Okay. So here I have taken m as common. Now taking minus also common, so minus 8m, so that the signs will change. So I can write here 4m square minus 4m plus 1. So minus 8m of, okay, after taking minus as common, signs will change. So this is nothing but I can write here 2m minus 1 the whole square. Okay. So a square, and this is 1 is b square, 1 square, and minus 2 into a into b. So I can write in the form of a minus b whole square. So this is nothing but total our expression b square minus 4ac. So this is less than 0. Why? Since 1 has no real roots. So this is less than 0. This happens. Okay. So nothing but if you consider m as negative values, so m is negative, so this is totally positive whole square. So positive into, again here it is negative, so minus into minus it becomes plus. Okay. So plus into plus cannot be less than 0. So that's why here m cannot be less than 0. So hence m is greater than 0. If m is less than 0, you are going to get here a false, a contradiction, a false statement. Hence m should be greater than 0. Nothing but it should be greater than 0, positive quantity. M is a positive quantity. So now according to our options, we can go through infinitely many, the B option. Okay. So the B option. Here we have been used this point since it has no real roots. So the question mainly depends on no real roots. Okay. So we have been gone through a discriminant, everything. We got through the step here, m is greater than 0 after different steps here. Totally we have been used the algebraic identities. So once you have the look. So this is a problem related to discriminant, number of integral values of m. They are asking how many? Infinitely many. Okay. Now the second problem. Same quadratic equations asked in 2019, 9th January, second shift. The number of all possible positive integral values of alpha. Okay, they asked alpha for which the roots of quadratic equation are rational is. So here the root should be rational numbers for how many different values of alpha. Let us proceed now. So solution. For the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to be rational. So the roots of this quadratic equation to be rational numbers. Then d is equal to b square minus 4ac should be a perfect square. So this is a most important point. Okay. So this expression should be perfect square to be the rational roots. Let us go through it now. Here, what are the ABC values? Here A is equal to 6, B is equal to minus 11 and C is equal to alpha. Okay, so let us write here itself now, where what is our equation? 6x square minus 11x plus alpha is equal to 0. To be rational roots, perfect square, this is a discriminant, capital D. Okay, so now evaluate the discriminant now. So therefore, capital D nothing but b square minus 4ac. So b is nothing but minus 11 the whole square minus 4 into 6 into 1. So this implies capital D is nothing but 121 minus 4ac. C is nothing but alpha here. So 121 minus 24 alpha. This is our discriminant. Okay. So let us mark it. It plays crucial role here for our problem. Capital D is equal to this one. So now let us go through the values. Okay. Consider. What I have to consider here? D of alpha. Okay. So nothing but 121 minus 24 into alpha. So let us go through various values of alpha here. So now therefore D of 1. So nothing but alpha is equal to 1. So 121 minus 24. Okay. Next D of 2. So 121 minus 24 into 2. Next D of 3. 121 minus 24 into 3. Next D of 4. 121 minus 24 into 4. D of 5. 121 minus 24 into 5. So with the help of our D of alpha, what is our D of alpha defined? 121. This is 97, this is 73 you are going to get. 24 to the is 48. Okay, and this is 97, 121 minus 24. 121 minus this is 48. Next this is 121 minus this is 72. Nothing but 49 you are going to get. Next 121 minus 96. So you are going to get 25. Next 121 minus 120 you are going to get as 1. And here 121 minus 144. You are going to get the negative value here. So what is our question here? Our problem is nothing but the number of all possible positive integral values of alpha. Okay, for which the coefficient are rational number. To be rational number, the rational roots, the expression should be a perfect square. So from these two are not the perfect squares. Okay, so 47 and 49 and 25 and 1 are perfect squares. Okay, this is 7 square, this is 5 square, and that is 1 square. Later on you are going to get the negative values. Okay, so here D of 7, so on D of 8, etc. you are going to get negative values. Since they asked possible positive integral values. So how many values? 3 values. Therefore, for alpha is equal to 3, 4, 5. Okay. Roots are rational. Roots are rational roots. Okay. For how many values? 3 values. So nothing but 3. So this is nothing but our D option. Okay. So let us go through the problem now. This is very important. So for the quadratic equation for values possible positive integral values of alpha should be rational. So this is a procedure, it's very easy. Okay, for 3 values of alpha 3, 4, 5, we are going to get the perfect squares. These are positive values but not perfect squares. Later on they are negative values. Okay, once you have the look. So please viewers, after watching compulsory subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay, comment and share to your near and dear. Okay, like also at the same time. Signing out, this is your Santosh.